No, more Zoom. Organ.
Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome. So do we have all the groups here? Do I have group 1 to maybe 8? Is group 1 on here?
Yes.
Okay.
Recording in
Mr. Maiden. Mr. Maiden.
I'm here.
Okay. So by sharing your screen, I mean you're going to share your screen of your final project. That's what I mean. You're going to share your screen. Do you get
Yeah,
me?
I'm trying to screen, but it's not doing. That is why I want to like.
Do you submit your project on your form?
Sorry, yes, it
Do
was
you submit your
submitted.
project on the
Yes.
Google form? Okay.
Yes,
Group
group
1,
one.
right?
Okay.
Mr. Aisha, do you want to share your screen?
Yes.
This meeting is being recorded. Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is your project, right?
Okay.
Is this your project? Can you see my screen?
Yes,
Oyin
that
Pastor,
is
can you
it.
see this?
Yes,
This is your question.
sir.
This is your project. Is this your
She
project?
said yes, it is.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Okay, right. You can start.
Okay, so you have 5 minutes to talk. Your time starts now.
Okay. Good evening. My name is. Sorry. My name is Ibito Kunikosola, and with the group one members. Sorry.
Yeah, my network is not good.
Hello, can
Yes, you can hear you go on. Whoever playing their Zoom beside you should switch off their Zoom so that it won't keep clashing.
We can't hear anyone anymore.
Group one, are you guys still presenting? Your time is going.
Maybe let's move to group 2.
Do we have group 2 here?
hello. Sorry, network.
What of other team members? Can anyone speak up?
Sorry, my network.
Let's move to
Have
group 2,
like
please. Let's move to
Hello, I
group
think
2 that has
my
if they have
network is
stable
back,
network.
please.
They can
Sorry.
hear.
you have group 1. Maybe before the end of the meeting so that we'll be able
Yeah,
to okay.
continue talking.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we.
Oh, Jesus, now, wow. Hello, we the group members were tasked with the project. Hello,
Keep
can you hear me?
talking,
Should I
keep talking. Your
continue?
Yes,
time is
continue. We
going.
can hear
Keep
you.
talking. Just keep running through.
All right. So, sorry. Okay, so with the group one members, we're tasked with the project of creating a simple and responsive website with the organization name of Aquanova Systems, and they provide advanced water purification technologies for urban and rural areas. So in order to achieve this project, we were asked to do create a 4 pages website: the about page, the home page, the about page, services page, and contact page. And we achieved this using HTML for the structuring. We used CSS for the styling, and we also used Bootstrap also for the styling and for the responsiveness. And we also used Bootstrap JS too for the interactivity and also for the functionality of the site. So in the home page, it's contained the home page contained the background image of the organization. It contained and also it also contained the introduction of the company. That it's a prefix. It's it's icons for the water droplets. We use it for the spanner. We use it for the internet. So move to the about page about the vision of this sustainable water purification systems. And we also used it, and we and in the contact page we gave this a form: your name, email address, message, then contact details of the sites. And yeah, I think that should be all. And we also gave it social media icons for easy access. Yes, I think that should be all.
Thank you very much. Your time is up. Mr. Joshua, do you have anything to say on this?
Recording in progress.
If you are designing a site for a creative event, they have facility. So what you expect to be seeing here, if you go to Dangote now, you see that it is facility you'll be seeing. You go to Dangote site now.
Okay, I understand.
So you go to Dangote site now, you see that you'll be seeing his facility. Here's the site.
Yes, I understand what you're saying.
Because they are into manufacturing. Can you see? They are seeing his facility. So because they have facility that they are doing stuff with it. This one, what give you the idea that water purification?
Okay.
That's that one. The other one is the how many of you work on this project?
We basically all of us kind of work on it.
Yeah, 20 number.
Yes.
Okay. So out of the 20, you had 1, 2, 3, 4 pages to do.
Yes.
So out of the 20, how do you guys manage to do these 4 pages?
Well, I won't say it was an easy task because we had to do like a small physical meeting where we had to like talk on what and what we have to do to achieve. And then we had an online Google Meet too, to be able to like join together and how to achieve it. Then following the instructions, so using other resources as help, YouTube too as help, as time too, we were able to at least come up with all this.
So in your team,
Recording in progress.
Like very good with web development, and he actually like puts more work in this.
okay. All right. So what I would just say is that follow the content that you're
Yes.
given. You guys didn't do justification to the
All right.
content.
Okay. We thought it's something like fictional. Since there's nothing like Aqua Nova, we just have to like just use our head to like come up with something. And I heard there should be like, well, from what I've known, they said that there was always
Yeah, that's all from.
Okay, thank you very much. Do we have group 2 on here? Do we have group 2 on here?
Good afternoon. I'm a representative of Group 2.
All right. So you have 5 minutes to pitch in your product.
Okay.
Your time starts now.
These are design, right?
Good evening, everyone.
Okay,
Yes, sir. For a representative of Group 2, I'm presenting on behalf of our captain. We were given a task to create a creative website for eco-tribe farms, a modern interactive website designed to promote sustainable farming and engage users with a seamless dynamic experience. We were given to create 4 main pages: service page and contact page. On our website, you will see that we have our service page where we do organic vegetables, fresh fruits, farm deliveries. We also have a few feedbacks from customers, from real-time customers. Then we also, on our contact page, we have our different social media, an address, we have a phone number and an email address. We were asked to use Bootstrap. That is for search for
Recording in progress.
Okay, good one, my two. So I have a mention. Thank you. Sorry. Yeah, yeah. So I'll talk about the homepage. Here we have different sections on the homepage. I'll start from the navbar. The navbar section, we have 4 clicks, like home, about, service, and contact. This navbar was built in a way that it's responsive for mobile users. If you should view the mobile view of this page, you will notice that you have a toggle button. Show it myself. I can show that we can get the 4 clicks for the other pages. So we have the book section on the page, the book section where a user can register his details to pick the subject he or she is interested in, as it is implied in the assignment given to us. So we have we decided to put feature services. Yeah, some of the content we use in feature services are math mastery, science simplified. So the last page of the home page, we have what our students say.
This was group 3, yes?
Yes, this is group 3.
Okay. Thank you very much for your presentation. Do we have group 4 on here? For anybody from group 4, the captain, the representatives, anybody from group 4, representatives ready?
Is this your project? Is this your
My screen
project?
is
Group
still
4?
loading, so I can't see anything, sir.
Is GeoSlice solution your project?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. All right. You can
Yes, sir.
talk on it. You have 5 minutes to talk on your project.
All right. So we were asked to create a simple, responsive website for a business. And the site should contain like 4 main pages: home, about, services, and contacts. We should introduce the business, basically. And we should use HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So we put this website using an introductory, and then if you like look up the like home, about, and service, so that so ensure easy access for anybody that is coming to the website, so you don't have to like go down to search for contact or anything. And then there's also a space to like book, and then there are images to like show what the website is about. And our services are like shown, like they are very bold on the site. And we have like
Recording in
I've
progress.
seen
all
what
right,
the site
sir.
is doing. Once I come to this page like this, I'm supposed to know what the site is doing before I go and start looking at services, all those things. This your this your hero band. That's why it's called hero. Well, that is what will make me to know what your site is all about. And it's not really communicating anything here. Then two, this navigation bar is not visible. Okay, so you see
Recording in progress.
Okay. And before I speak the role for their presentation, we still mark their project. Okay. So as a potential developer, there are more to this. I believe let's say there are almost 3 months for training. When I came into the journey of web development, how many months I just well formal training I had was 2 to 3 months. It was something like this too. And then from there I picked. So I know so many of us are into so many things and so many distractions. But there's no way you want to go into when you are mentioning job in the world today and the world of web development. Uh, if you are coming to the world of development, it is tax, it requires tax, dedications, and sometimes loneliness. I remember when I'm using the school Wi-Fi. Sometimes I can spend days inside school just taking snacks and the rest, trying to learn, watch as much tutorial videos to watch. So what it says here is that this is just a starting point. You don't know where you can find yourself. Uh, um, One thing with web is that some company might not employ you for that role, but they will have websites. Some people get to stay on jobs because of their additional skills they have, and this might be it. You might be in faculty of clinical science now, and maybe the hospital you are working for, they have a website, and most companies they don't usually allocate staff to their website. So because of you have experience in that, you might be helping them to manage the content, updating, putting content, and adjusting. And if they want to build an app, because of your experience, developer, how to develop it, and when the developer is saying what is not, you'll be able to know and interpret what it is to him. So there are several opportunities in this sphere of learning. So it has not been a time it has not been a waste of time. That's what I just want you to know. And it has put your interest in something. And for those of us that want to go deep dive into it, the thing is, in as much as you are looking for who to train you on, there must be this innate this zeal to also learn on your own. That's how to become a real developer. If you don't have that zeal to learn on your own, trust me, you can attend several schools and several learning platforms and you still not know anything. Then for those of you that have known something and are looking into workspace, looking at study, people have known a lot, but there's no job. So how do you come into the job space for it? One thing that you realize in this and your GitHub repo is not well set up, and all those platform, your X, you need to be on Twitter, you need to be on X as Twitter, right? And then you need to ensure your LinkedIn profile is well set up. They need to be on communities. There are several communities that you need to join because those are the where you can see jobs. Yeah, gone are the days where Upwork works. Yeah, some people say Upwork work for them. So gone are the days where all those freelance platform works. But currently, most people recruit contact based. Most of the job I've gotten are two contact based. I've only gotten job maybe once from a LinkedIn. But even those people too that you get job from, you have to see your profile and then your CV. Very, very much important. And don't lie on your CV because during interview, it will take you out. State whatever you have done and then try to prioritize experience over learning when you're writing CV. Don't put learning as experience. Let experience be full of what you are putting in your CV, not learning. No recruiter want to see you learn. No recruiter want to see you learning. Rather, they want to see experience. I've worked in this, I developed this, I did a project on this. Those are the key tones that you use to develop your CVs. So there are so many solutions out there for you and so many job opportunity. It's only if you open your mind and present yourself for opportunity and be willing to do unpaid, be willing to do internships, whether paid or unpaid. Some people even pay for internship for company to intern there so they can gather experience. So if you are looking at you want to be serious, you can and our company is very very much open. McGeorge is wide open for anybody. You can apply. So for internship where you work on projects, so you because like I said, company does not want to hear, oh, I have learned for this amount of years. What they want to see is experience, and you get those experience through either you are working or you are interning. So those are the things we like that you put your mind into, and then yeah, the sky is just a stepping stone for you, and you can do so many great things, and then earn so much. Yeah, that would be all from my end. Host. Hello, Miss Faridat. All right, you are all welcome. So, the next phase is that we are going to uh, set up a panel. There are some of you that are going to get invitations to come to Mark George, maybe probably after your exams or before your exams, to be able to see how we can assist you much, much further. And like I said, we are much open to assist anyone that wants to pick it up from here beyond the school scope. That want to go into wide, there are several stacks you can learn. We are much open. Just reach out to support. He will direct you on how to go about it. So we it's not goodbye because we are still seeing you more. And we're still going to be seeing you people because once your growth. Group 8. Rotimi Domini. Do you submit on the Google form? Hello, Rotimi.
Afternoon, sir.
Yeah, do you submit on the Google form?
No, sir, we were not able to submit. We could not identify our group captain.
So how many of you are in the group?
We are up to 17 on our WhatsApp group.
Okay, so quickly, kindly
Have you
present.
done the project? Are you ready to present it?
We've done the project, yes.
Can you share your screen now?
It's not on my screen, it's on another representative screen.
Is the representative on the call currently?
Okay, all right, no problem.
I
What
don't know
will
if
happen
he's on
is
the
you guys
call
should reach out
now.
to support. Yeah?
I don't know if he's on the call now, but he was on the call before.
All right, you guys should reach out to support so they will tell you how you will handle your own presentations.
All
So
right,
reach
sir.
out to support today, like you can do it now, so that and you guys should organize yourself when you be available, so we can let you know when you present.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right. All right.
All right, then. All right, thank you very much. Turn off. Without anything done, anything more, the attendance has been shared on the chat. So you guys should just fill in the attendance and then the call will end by 5 p.m.
Recording stopped.